Hi, Assalamualaikum korang. Okay, so today we will continue with chapter 3, banking service and facilities. Okay, as usual, before we start our class, please recite a doa by your own. Okay, so first we take a look what is the course outcome for this chapter. Okay, so first you will be identify the procedure for safeguarding banking service, and the chapter's outcome for this chapter, you will learn on what is type of bank. Okay, what is electronic banking and its functions, types of account banks, types of check, what is credit card, what is internet banking, and the procedure for safeguarding banking service. Okay, so first we take a look on what is bank actually. Bank tu apa kelas? Okay, so bank can be defined as a business that safeguard, transfer, exchange and lend money to the user. Okay, so itulah kerja bank kan. Of course, first dia akan safeguard, transfer, exchange and lend money to the user. Okay, so usually bank will provide a multitude of financial service which is holding deposit and lend money to the user. So, dua-dua ni adalah apa yang uh, dia punya main service to the user. Okay, which is dia holding deposit to the user and they also lend the money to user. Okay, so there are a few types of bank. Okay, ada 3 types of bank yang korang akan belajar. First one is commercial bank. Okay, so commercial bank usually do about 60% of deposit and loan service. Tu adalah uh, commercial bank. Okay. Okay, so dia kata service will include checking, saving accounts, credit cards, investment service and others. Tu adalah service yang commercial bank provides. Apa contoh commercial bank ni kelas? Okay, so contoh commercial banks, contoh dia adalah macam Bank Islam, M-Bank, Public Bank, CIMB, semua bank, kebanyakan bank tu lah. Okay, tu adalah commercial bank. Okay, so sebab tu dia kata commercial bank do about 60% of deposit and loan service. Okay, so commercial bank akan melibatkan individual, organisation and companies, which is bila they go to the bank, macam individual we buy a mortgage, car loans. Okay, organisation company will do a business loan. Okay, so ni adalah kind of business yang dia provide by commercial bank. Okay, so ingat kalau commercial bank do about 60% of deposit and loan service, include checking, saving, credit cards, investment service and others. Okay. Okay. Next types of bank is a central bank. Okay, so what is central bank class? Okay, so dia kata central bank is government bank that manage, regulate and protect both the money supply and bank themselves. Okay, so usually kalau central bank ni dia supply money and protect money uh, uh, for the government lah. Okay, so dia supply money for the government. Okay, so central bank serve as a government's banker. So government's bank tu adalah dekat central bank. Government's bank tak ada dekat CIMB, Bank Islam tak ada. Okay, so duit government tu adalah dekat central bank. Okay, central bank issue currency and conduct monetary policy. So kalau untuk central bank ni, dia yang issue currency and conduct monetary policy. Dia kan yang keluarkan duit semua tu. Bank Islam just bagi duit korang je, bukannya dia yang buat duit tu. Okay, so kena ingat central bank issue currency and conduct monetary policy. Okay, so contoh central bank apa kelas? Biar saya jawab juga Okay, so contoh central bank adalah Bank Negara Malaysia. Okay. Okay, next types of bank is retail bank. Okay, so dia kata retail bank is other institutions such as mutual saving bank, saving and loans and credit unions developed to help individual not served by commercial bank save money, acquire loan and invest. Kalau retail bank ni dia kata other institution such as mutual saving bank. Okay, dia sebenarnya kalau retail bank ni lebih kepada service offer by the bank untuk urusan consumer banking macam deposit, sama je lebih kurang macam commercial bank juga, which is deposit duit, credit cards, personal loan etc. Tapi servis yang di offer, kebanyakan servis yang di offer tu adalah sama je urusan harian kita dekat bank tu. Tapi sebenarnya retail banking service ni it offer by commercial bank. Tu sebenarnya. Sebab kita dekat Malaysia kita tak ada specific retail bank. So, commercial bank juga sebenarnya yang provide retail bank ni. Okay. Contoh macam Maybank. Okay. So, dia ada commercial bank. Okay. Commercial bank tu dia offer banyak servis. Salah satu servis dia tu adalah retail service. Tu adalah kind of retail bank. Okay. Example dia. Okay. So, biasanya lah kalau retail banks ni, service offer by branches sebenarnya. Okay, sebab kita tak ada spesifik retail bank sahaja. So, sebenarnya dia adalah lebih kepada jenis-jenis servis yang di offer by bank. Okay. So kena ingat lah. Okay, kalau retail bank dia kata ada institution such as mutual saving bank, saving and loans and credit union developed to help individual, not served by commercial bank. Cuma sebab kita dekat Malaysia kita tak ada spesifik contoh macam tu. So senang cerita korang tahu macam tu lah. Okay, ada institution selain daripada commercial bank. Okay. Okay, so next is okay, electronic funds transfer system. Okay, so electronic fund transfer system ni adalah kind of electronic banking lah. Okay, dalam electronic banking dia ada electronic fund transfer system. What is EFTS ni? Okay, EFTS enable funds to be transferred from one account or place to another. Okay, ni kind of electronic banking lah kan. Ni adalah EFTS. Okay, electronic fund transfer system. The transaction are done electronically. So biasanya kita done secara electronically. Sebab tu saya kata tu adalah online transfer system tu lah. Okay. Dia kata EFTF is a system of transferring money from one bank account directly to another without any paper money changing hands, kan, tanpa kita guna cash, kita transfer by hand. Okay, so tu adalah EFTS. Okay, it is safe, secure, efficient and less expensive than paper check payment and collection. Of course lah, benda tu secure kan, safe, tak perlu bawa banyak cash nak pergi bagi kat orang. Okay, so dan less expensive to the user also. Okay, so EFTS ni the account holder does no need to go to bank office. Tak perlulah kita nak transfer it, we need to go to bank office. Okay, so kita boleh buat kat mana-mana je. Dan of course no filing of forms, tak perlu nak isi form. And last is the untuk use of EFTS ni, need to use a plastic card and press the relevant button, which is korang plastic card tu adalah kat ATM tu lah. Then you need to press the relevant button. Then you need to press the relevant button untuk transfer the money. Okay, so faham EFTS tu adalah electronic banking. Okay, electronic fund transfer system. Okay, next. Okay. Next is the automatic teller machine. Okay, ATM. Automatic teller machine tu rasa semua tahu kan. Mesin ATM tu lah. Okay, so it is save cost, time, convenient and offer longer service hour. Betul lah kan? Sebabnya kalau dekat bank sendiri, it offer service until 4 PM sahaja. But for ATM, it offer longer service hour. Sebabnya korang boleh pergi, tengah malam pun boleh pergi lagi ambil duit. Okay. Okay, so apa servis ATM ni? First, check the balance of accounts. Okay, withdraw cash, transfer funds to another accounts, pay in deposit, request for checkbooks. Okay, korang boleh request for checkbooks juga, tapi bukannya dia akan keluar daripada ATM tu. Just request and then nanti pergi pick up dekat counter. Okay, then check deposit. Okay, bill payment kan, boleh bayar bill melalui ATM service. Okay, then making payment to application for initial public offering in the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. Okay, so tu adalah apa yang dia provide lah untuk ATM service. Maksudnya kalau keluar soalan macam ni pun, you can think secara logik apa service provided by ATM. Sebab I believe all of you are using ATM. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so how to protect your ATM card? Macam mana nak protect ATM card korang ni? First, you need to keep your ATM in a safe place. Kan, letak dekat safe place kan. Jangan letak dalam pencil case ataupun letak merata tu lah. Okay, so keep in a safe place. Do not leave your ATM card around where others can see. So jangan letak dekat mana-mana orang senang tengok. Kan letak dalam beg kelas korang yang transparent tu ke kan. Okay. So jangan. Okay. Never write down your PIN anywhere. So jangan katalah korang ni memang jenis tak ingat sangat. Do not write down your PIN anywhere. Jangan. Okay. Even dalam phone pun. Okay. Try to memorize your PIN number. Then never reveal your PIN to anyone. So jangan juga reveal walaupun dia tu adalah BFF kan. Tolonglah drawkan duit dan minta dia ambil. So jangan. Sebab duit ni boleh buat orang rambang mata. Okay. Next, do not respond to any request illegally from banking institution for your PIN. Okay, let's say you have received a phone call that request for your PIN number. Walaupun dia kata dia tu daripada from your banking institution. Okay, so do not believe. Okay. Never give any information about your ATM card or PIN over the phone. Jangan bagi information about your ATM card ataupun PIN over the phone. Kan banyak scammer sekarang. Okay. And last one is notify your banking institution immediately if your card is missing or stolen. Terus inform call bank, okay, if your card is missing or stolen. Sebab korang kena sekat korang punya penggunaan tu, okay, to make sure another user tak boleh guna. Sebabnya kan sekarang even kita dah boleh waive kita punya service kan, kad tu kita boleh just waive, tak perlu nak guna PIN number pun. Okay, so maknanya orang boleh gunalah bila let's say kalau dia dapat korang punya kad, especially bila duit PT-PTN masuk. Lagilah korang banyak cash kan, so banyak duit dalam account. Okay, next electronic banking is electronic fund transfer at point of sale system, EFTPOS. Okay, so ingat electronic fund transfer at point of sale system, EFTPOS. Okay, so EFTPOS ni adalah a system which enable fund to be transferred from one account to another, like ATM, but at the point of sales, which is dia kata sistem yang membolehkan korang transfer from one account to another, sama macam ATM, but at the point of sales. Maknanya bila korang membeli, so dia automatic transfer your money from your account to another account. Okay. It allow customer to obtain the fund directly debited taken from his account, his bank account. Okay, so which is benda tu allow seller to take directly money from your account kan. Benda tu terus dapat je kan kalau korang guna debit service. Okay. Okay, so dia kata EFTPOS basically means that there is a fund transfer electronically at point of sales. So kena ingatlah kalau EFTPOS tu maknanya korang transfer funds electronically at point of sales bila ada sales saja, pembelian. Okay. So if it is widely used through debit card, okay, then the public need not to hold much cash kan, tak perlu bawa banyak cash lah. Let's say nak pergi beli gelang emas kan, tak payahlah bawa sampai 5,000 6,000. So you just bring your debit card, then kita akan buat process of EFTPOS, which is electronic fund transfer system at point of sales. Okay, ingat benda tu terjadi bila ada sales sahaja. Okay, so tu untuk setakat electronic banking.